Disclaimer. This civil service exam reviewer was created with the help of ChatGPT, an AI tool developed by OpenAI. The questions and answers are intended to assist in preparation for the civil service exam, but may not fully reflect the exact format or difficulty of the official exam. Please refer to Official Civil Service Commission (CSC) materials for the most accurate and up-to-date information. The content provided here is for educational purposes only. Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Topic: Word Analogy. 1 to 25, Part 1.
1. Mountain, high A. Artist. Famous, B. Dry. Desert, C. Honey. Sweet, D. Brick. Light. Answer, C. Explanation. The relationship is one of object and its natural characteristic. A mountain is naturally high. Honey is naturally sweet. The other choices are not parallel. A. Artist can be famous, but not all are. B. Desert is dry, but reversed order. D. Brick is heavy, not light. Opposite. 2. Architect, blueprint. A. Chef, recipe. B. Pilot, runway. C. Painter, easel. D. Surgeon, stethoscope. Answer A. Chef, recipe. Explanation. An architect creates and uses a blueprint to build. Similarly, a chef uses a recipe to create a dish. Both involve planning, designing a final output. The other options do not show this planning to creation relationship. 3. Mercury, thermometer. A. Petrol, bean, ink, pen to wire electricity. D. Paint. Answer B. Ink, pen. Explanation. Mercury is the substance that functions inside a thermometer to indicate temperature. Similarly, ink is the substance inside a pen that performs the writing function. 4. Ephemeral, temporary, infinite, boundless. B. Harsh, gentle. C. Vague, clear. D. Shallow, deep. Answer A. Infinite, boundless. Explanation. This is a synonym relationship. Ephemeral means short-lived or temporary. Likewise, infinite means endless or boundless. 5. Photosynthesis, plants. A. Breathing. Lungs. B. Combustion. Fire. C. Metabolism. Animals. D. Learning. Students. C. Metabolism. Animals. Explanation. Photosynthesis is a biological process essential to plants. Similarly, metabolism is a biological process essential to animals. Both are necessary life functions within their respective living organisms. 6. Ostrich, flightless. A. Whale, mammal. B. Lion, carnivore. C. Cactus, thorny. D. Penguin, wings. Answer penguin, wings. Explanation. An ostrich has wings but cannot fly. It's a flightless bird. Similarly, a penguin has wings but also cannot fly. The relationship is about a feature that doesn't function in the typical way. 7. Procrastinate, delay. A. Accelerate, speed. B. Consume, eat. C. Fabricate, lie. D. Reveal, conceal. C. Fabricate, lie. Explanation. To procrastinate means to delay. To fabricate, in this context, means to make up a falsehood, i.e., lie. The relationship is synonym through indirect or formal word usage. 8. Mirage, illusion. A. Dream, reality. B. Fiction, truth. C. Echo, sound. D. Rumor, gossip. Answer D. Rumor, gossip. Explanation. A mirage is a type of illusion. A rumor is a type of gossip, or vice versa, depending on interpretation. Both are unverified information spread by people. 9. Skeleton, body. A. Bark, tree. B. Book, cover. C. Wheel, car. D. Gear, clock. Answer A. Bark, tree. Explanation. A skeleton is the internal support structure of the body. Bark is the external protective layer of a tree. Both are essential structural parts, but in opposite positioning, internal versus external. Thesis. Graduation. A. License, driving. B. Recipe, baking. C. Application, employment. D. Training, promotion. Answer A. License, driving. Explanation. A thesis is a requirement to graduate, just as a license is a requirement to drive. Both are prerequisites for achieving something. 11. Jury. Verdict A. judge, sentence. B, artist, canvas. C, doctor, diagnosis. D, audience, applause. Answer A, judge, sentence. Explanation: a jury gives a verdict while a judge gives a sentence. Both are official decisions in legal proceedings. 12. Surgeon, scalpel. A, pilot, wings. B, soldier, uniform. C, carpenter, hammer. Chef, menu. You answer C, carpenter, hammer. Explanation: a surgeon uses a scalpel as a tool, a carpenter uses a hammer. The relationship is professional and tool. 13. Seed. A, note, song. B, egg, bird. C, line, paragraph. D, drop, ocean. Answer B, egg, bird. Explanation: a seed grows into a tree, an egg hatches into a bird. Both show origin to full form in living things. 14. Oasis, desert. A, island, ocean. B, lighthouse, ship. C, mirage, vision. D, bridge, river. Answer A, island, ocean. Explanation: an oasis is a small fertile spot within a large desert. Similarly, an island is a small landmass within a vast ocean. 15. Antonym, opposite. Homonym, same. B, synonym, similar. C, acronym, lettered, idiom, definition. Answer B, synonym, similar. Explanation: an antonym is a word with the opposite meaning. A synonym is a word with a similar meaning. Both are linguistic relationships. 16. Mirror, reflection. A, camera, lens. B, shadow, light. C, speaker, sound. D, screen, color. Answer C, speaker, sound. Explanation: a mirror produces a reflection, a speaker produces sound. Both output something in response to input. 17. Fossil or dinosaur. A, diary. Author. B, footprint. Traveler. C, memoir. Memory. D, shell. Ocean. Answer B, footprint. Traveler. Explanation: a fossil is a trace left behind by a dinosaur. A footprint is a trace left behind by a traveler. 18. Volume, sound. A, brightness. Light. B, taste. Flavor. C, scale. Weight. D, barometer. Weather. Answer A, brightness, light. Explanation: volume measures sound intensity, brightness measures light intensity. Both describe a measurable quality of sensory input. 19. Editor, newspaper. A, author. Book. B, director. Film. C, teacher. Student. D, conductor. Orchestra. Answer A, author. Book. Explanation: an editor refines or produces a newspaper. An author creates a book. The relationship is creator or shaper of a published medium. 20. Nutrition. Health. A, sleep. Fatigue. Reading. Intelligence. C, exercise. Fitness. D, smoking. Relaxation. Answer C, exercise. Fitness. Explanation: proper nutrition promotes good health. Exercise promotes physical fitness. Both pairs show positive health outcomes. 21. Time. Ace. Weight. B, thermometer. Cold. C, calendar. Month. D, ruler. Long. Answer A, scale. Weight. Explanation: a clock measures time, a scale measures weight. It's a device to measured concept relationship. 22. Predator. Hunt. A, artist. Draw. B, scholar. Study. C, tourist. Travel. D, baker. Oven. Answer C, tourist. Travel. Explanation: a predator's main activity is to hunt. A tourist's main activity is to travel. Both describe the core action of the subject. 23. Thesis. Graduate. Battle. Soldier. B, license. Drive. C, recipe. Cook. D, medal. Win. Answer B, license. Drive. Explanation: a thesis is a requirement to graduate, a license is a requirement to drive. Both are prerequisites for a goal. 24. Hourglass. Sand. A. Printer. Ink. B. Thermos. Coffee. C. Battery power. D. Candle wax. Answer D. Candle wax. Explanation. Sand runs down in an hourglass to measure time, just as a candle melts wax to produce light. Both involve gradual consumption of a substance over time. 25. Atlas. Maps. A calendar. Dates. B. Library. Books. C. Encyclopedia. Topics. D. Album. Photos. Answer D. Album photos. Explanation. An atlas is a collection of maps. An album is a collection of photos. The relationship is container to contents.
What's your score? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how many you got right. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to my social media pages. At Johnry and Magalona for more civil service exam reviewers and study tips. Want a hard copy of this reviewer? Visit my shop now and grab your printed copy. Perfect for focused study anytime, anywhere. Buy now and start preparing smarter. Thank you and good luck.